Little ducklings swimming in the pond. Mommy duck says quack, quack, quack. All the babies follow along. Tiny duck jumps and hops. Little wings it flaps. With its feet the water splashes. Children laugh and sing along. Big duck goes quack, quack, quack. Little duck goes cheep, cheep, cheep. Let's all sing together now. A sweet duck story we will keep. Ducklings run across the grass, chasing butterflies around. Children clap their hands with joy. Ducklings laugh with a cheep, cheep sound. When the bright sun starts to shine, ducklings play within the pond. When the moon and stars appear, mommy sings a lullaby so fond. Ducklings walking in a line, marching down the way they go, singing little ducks quack, 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 bringing joy to children's hearts that glow.
Thank you for watching my channel குட்டீஸ். வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. பாய்.